Alright guys, it's Joseph Brandkamp here from All About the Brandkamps. I started something like 2 or 3 weeks ago called the Amazon affiliate link. So I'm gonna take you all through that and let you know what it is and show you how I'm super excited. I got my first order. I'm finally made some money off of it and I'm just so excited. It's not much money, but I'm excited because all I'm doing is putting links and videos that I already do and I'm getting paid for it. So with that, we'll get started. So right here is my Amazon affiliate link. All right, so back here, I don't know if you can see it or not. I got 2 clicks on there, 1 click, and then over here is where I got paid. So I got paid 87 cents for somebody ordering something off of Amazon for clicking on my link. All right, so that order actually came from back here on these clicks. I'm not sure which one, but it told me like a couple days after those clicks, I got an order, and then when it shipped and was delivered, that's when I got paid for it. Got paid 87 cents. They pay up to 10% compensation on orders. So I got 87 cents for my first order. Now right here, I just got 7 clicks the other day. I'm not sure if they ordered anything yet or not, but I have 11 clicks altogether. I'm pretty sure I have to have 3 orders in the first 180 days to stay in the program. Right now I only have 1, pays me 87 cents, and I'm pretty excited about it because all I'm doing is putting links of stuff that I'm using in the videos that I'm already making. So it's very easy to get the links. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. Alright, so up here on the top, you see where it says product links right here, and then you just click product links, bam, and it'll bring you here. So you scroll down, and let's just say whatever we want to put a link in, we type it in. Like I'm gonna put GoPro because that's what I used to film with. Hero 8, the latest model. All right, go. See, now you got a bunch of stuff that you get to choose from. So what I do is I come over here where it says click link. I click the arrow down. Then you see this big long link. That's where it will take them. But it also got short URL with Amazon.to. You click that and see how much shorter it made that link. Then I just copy it, Control C, and I go back to my YouTube video, and in the description I write what the link's for, and then I put the link right behind it. So if anybody clicks on that link and purchases the GoPro, I get a compensation for that. And if they click on that link and don't buy the GoPro, but they search something else and buy something, I still get compensation for it because my link is what brought them to the website. So it's just an affiliate program or Amazon associate program, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I started it. I'm pretty excited. I'm surprised how many clicks I got so far because I haven't really promoted it that much. I just started putting them in our videos. Like I said, all our game nights, I went back through all those videos and I put all the games that we use, put the links in there for that. That's the only old videos I've went back and put in on though. But like our wrestling videos, I put the trampoline, wrestling belt, I put the GoPro. I just bought a DJI Mavic Mini drone. I put that in our latest video. I'm actually going to do an unboxing on that tomorrow. I'll drop the video, so you already see that before you see this one. This video is probably going to come out on Tuesday. But yeah, so that's how easy it is. I just put that link in there and put it in my, copy the link, then put it in my YouTube description, and I write in front of the link what it actually is so people can click on it. So like this video, I'm going to put GoPro because that's what I film with. I'm going to put this light on there, this ring light. It's a very nice ring light, very bright. I use it for my stock videos on my other YouTube channel. I'm going to put that on there. I'll put GoPro accessories. I'll put the micro SD cards that go to it, and I'll put my drone in there since I was talking about it. But yeah, that's how easy it is. You just put it in there, put the link in there. People click the link, and if they purchase anything from Amazon after they click the link, you get paid compensation for it. And I'm super excited because, like I said, I made that 87 cents for doing nothing for real, besides copying a link and putting it in my description of my video. I'm not sure what they bought. It doesn't tell you that, but whatever they bought, I got paid 87 cents for. And it says it's up to 10% compensation. So whatever they bought was around $80, if not a little more, and I got 87 cents compensation. But it's a very nice program. I'm hoping as my YouTube channel grows, it'll be a place where I can just get some extra income from. I have it set up where it only pays me every $100. So every $100, they'll send me a check in the mail. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm super excited. Like I said, I haven't promoted it much, and already got an order. So hopefully it keeps going, and as my YouTube channel grows, I'll get more and more money from it. It's just another way to make income off of YouTube. So y'all have a good day, and that's it. See you next time.